is Dipanshu and he's going to answer to my question. So I'm going to repeat my question, Dipanshu. I said there's a hot balloon, okay? We just have one parachute and there are 5 people stranded on that balloon. So those persons are, one is your English teacher, one is your science teacher, one is your physical education teacher, that's sports teacher, one is your humanities teacher and one is your commerce teacher. So out of these 5, who would you want to give the parachute and why?
Namaskar, ma'am. Ma'am, out of these 5 teachers, I would like to give the parachute to our science teacher because as we all can see, sir's build is very big and strong, and so other teachers can also get up on the shoulders or on the limbs and they can all come down safely.
Okay, wonderful and a witty answer indeed. Okay, so now a doubt chart for Vipin sir. So in times of calamity, he's going to save us, right, Dipanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so anyone else? Yes, okay. Ume. So Ume, so who according to you should be given the parachute and why?
So ma'am, according to me, the best deserving teacher of our parachute should be our physical education teacher, Sweetie ma'am, Ajay sir. And the reason is because out of the 4 remaining teachers, we have our science teachers, Yash sir and Vipin sir. They will use their extreme brains and save us, save the rest of them.
So you want to say that they do not have brain?
No, I'm saying if there is a chance to save one, the best deserving is the physical education teachers. The rest can be saved by Yash sir and Vipin sir.
Okay.
So they have the best priority. We give them priority.
So witty one. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, Ume. All right. So sports teachers, you are saved. And I would want to know whom would you want to give the parachute and why?
So ma'am, even though we would like to save all of our teachers.
Amazing. That's very nice. So that calls for a round spot.
Even if like a situation like this occurs, so our group has decided to rescue the science teacher.
Okay.
Because we know that he or she will apply his theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge to save all of them, because we often came across many problems like this when we are falling from a lift or diving from a plane. So I know he'll be able to save all of us.
Okay, that's great. So science teachers, lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, and let's all give them a round of applause. And like Pavni said, yes, our endeavor should be to save everyone. All right?
Ma'am, I guess the English teacher should get, the sports teacher should get the parachute, because the science teacher knows the physics and knows how to operate an hot air balloon, so he can get down, so they can get down easily. And according to me, sports teacher should get this.
Okay, why? So you think that sports teachers do not know? They do not have technical knowledge?
Ma'am, they are more dear to us.
Okay. So they're more dear to you. Let's come to the point. Okay, fine. So as per Shivangya, sports teacher should be given the parachute, and the reason is very obvious, that they love sports and they're always looking for an opportunity to come out and play. All right. Okay. Now this group, Trisha.
Science teachers should be saved, because they can use their knowledge of like physics and everything to like make sure that the parachute goes down properly, and basically they have a lot of knowledge about like acceleration and stuff like that. So I think science teachers should be.
But dear, parachute, if you are in a parachute, you automatically will be saved. So you want to save the science teacher.
Yeah.
So what about the humanities?
maybe.
So where are the humanities teachers?
Ma'am, maybe what if the wind is too too fast, and maybe they will figure out how to like slow down, how to like they can use their knowledge of physics too.
Okay. So science teachers, are you hearing this? So are you all happy? You are saved. Okay. So you've saved. Trisha has saved science teachers. Okay. All right. Amongst us, and he is going to tell us who should be saved and why should that person be given a parachute.
Okay, so ma'am, my team discussed the case study. So they were like, "Ki the hot air balloon isn't in the air." You said the hot air balloon consists of 5 to 6 people, and who needs to be saved? But they are like that hot air balloon isn't flying.
It is flying.
It is flying.
Yes.
So that second case they thought of was if it is flying, it will damage even. So the hot air balloon comes slowly to the ground, not directly. And even we can give the parachute to the parachute to the person having the most weight to reduce the weight, and then slowly, gradually, the hot air balloon can come down, and everyone could be the safe.
So I can see some logic here, okay? So yes, but then,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
fine, we take it. Like we said, every opinion matters, and so does Ashish and his groups. Thank you so much,
Thank you, ma'am.
Ashish. So now, yes, so now